A man and his son were going through the forest hills. Suddenly the boy fell down on the trail and screamed with pain. Ah, I got hurt. Surprisingly, he heard the same voice from the mountain. Ah, I got hurt. Curiously, the boy shouted, Who is this? But the voice replied the same, Who is this? He got angry and shouted again, You are stupid. And again the voice replied the same, You are stupid. Annoyed by this, the boy asked his father, Dad, what's going on? Who is this? The father replied, Son, pay attention. The father shouted, You are very nice. And the voice responded the same, You are very nice. The father again shouted, Thank you. And the voice again responded the same, Thank you. The son was very surprised, but he could not understand what was happening. The father explained, Son, people call it resonance, but this is the truth of the life. The life is a reflection of your actions. What you will give to others, you will receive the same in return. I hope this was useful to you. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.